PCP, also known as phencyclidine aka angel dust, was first tested in the 1950s as a potential anesthetic agent. However, early studies revealed the drug to be an unusual kind of anesthetic that induced mind-altering effects. So how does the cell signal PCP? Well, to understand that, we're going to have to briefly talk about the nervous system. Most communication between neurons occur at a specialized structure called the synapse. The synapse is an area where two neurons come close enough to one another that they're able to pass chemical signals from one cell to another. The neuron where the signal is initiated is called the presynaptic neuron, while the neuron that receives the signal is called the postsynaptic neuron. The NMDA receptor is an ion channel receptor that is located in the postsynaptic membrane of a neuron. In the presynaptic neuron, there are chemical signals called neurotransmitters that are packaged into small sacs called vesicles. When the presynaptic neuron is excited by a chemical signal, neurotransmitters fuse with the presynaptic membrane and release their contents. The NMDA receptor is activated when the neurotransmitters glutamate and glycine bind to it, as shown in this picture of the glutamate receptor. And when activated, it opens up this ion channel that allows positively charged ions like calcium +2 to flow through the channel. However, what PCP does is that it acts as an antagonist to the NMDA receptor. It inhibits the NMDA receptor from opening up this ion channel. So PCP enters the ion channel and binds reversibly to block the entry of positive ions into the cell and therefore inhibits cell depolarization. Because PCP is an uncompetitive antagonist, it blocks the ion channel by binding to a site within it. Once it has binded between the two neuron cells, the PCP amplifies the signal and turns off the ion channel, thus preventing these positive ions from entering the cell. PCP blocks the neurons from communicating and therefore brings an organism's physiology to jeopardy. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video and got some sort of overview of how PCP works. Here's my work citation. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.